Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014, on a 64 plate Volkswagen Golf GT TDI. This is the 2 litre Blue Motion Tech with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in deep black pearl, and it's covered just 16,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around this exceptionally low mileage, very high spec Golf GT diesel. Cracking bit of kit this. Really nice car. Nearly 4 grand's worth of added options, which I'll talk you through. This is September 2014 registered car. 16,800 miles from new. 2 former keepers. Despite the very low mileage, it's been really well maintained right the way through its life. 8 service stamps in the book. Cam belt replaced earlier on this year in 2024. So properly well looked after mechanically. 4 very recent new tyres, and looks the part in this deep black pearl. 148 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox, over 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run. £20 a year to tax as well. That's also really economical. 5-door practicality. We've got these lovely 18-inch Serron diamond cut alloy wheels, which were an added option, as was the paint obviously. It also has an opening glass panoramic roof as well, which was a nice option, I believe. Excuse the wind, I should probably wear a microphone, but it's blowing a hoolie here in some way today. Cloth with Alcantara interior, seats are in lovely shape. Centre armrest there. All the door cards are in good nick. Remote central locking, it actually comes supplied with 3 keys. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights. There's your mileage, 16,822. Steering wheel's in good nick. And then up there you've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your trip computer. On the other side you've got your cruise control. It does also have the dynamic chassis setup as well, which was an expensive added option. Electric handbrake, auto hold, 6-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. There's also the sat-nav disc or SD card. Air conditioning, of course. You've got some storage with your media plug-in. And then if I start the car up, there we go. And we'll just let the infotainment system warm itself up. Really nice place to be, obviously, with these Golfs. I do like the Alcantara setup. Let me just show you the glass roof there, and it has got a blind which comes across as well, and it's electronically operated. Back down below, so it does have satellite navigation built in. Here we go, just to show you that it knows where we are. Yes, it does. DAB digital radio. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone as well. And if I put the car into reverse, it has front and rear parking sensors, and you've got that parking pilot that comes up on the screen there as well. So really nice spec. Into the rear. Detailers have been busy putting football pitches into the carpet mats there, but really nice and tidy. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts. You've got the ISOFIX for the child seats. Centre armrest there that folds down with a couple of cup holders. Just a very comfortable 5-seater hatch. Into the back of the car, you flip the badge to get into the boot space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top, and then good sized boot space, nice flat loading area here as well, not much for a lip to negotiate, again in really good condition. And the luxury underneath of a space saver spare wheel. So there we have it, September 2014 Volkswagen Golf GT 2-litre TDI, 16,800 miles, 8 service stamps in the book, including a very recent cam belt replacement, £20 a year to tax, 60 mpg, £3,800 worth of added options. What's not to like? Finance is available. There is a calculator on our website, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And if you would like to come and view, we do work on an appointment only basis, so do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, excellent spec, nice low mileage. Won't be here long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.